Hello dear MB members, this is Frank, and today I will be showing you how to properly install Forex MB 3.3 on your computers. First we will be opening our local disk, search for the folder, program files, and in program files we will search for the folder of our MetaTrader, our platform where we want to install Forex MB. In this case it will be this folder. On the MT4 folder of our broker, in this case I'm using this broker just as an example, we will find this set of files and folders. They're all the same for every terminal up there of MetaTrader 4. We will open the experts folder right here. This is experts. And here is where we will paste our first MB files of the set file that you downloaded from the members area. I have it right here, the Forex MB 3.3 folder. We open it and we have two files, Forex MB 3.3.ex4 and the mbleave.dll. We will copy the Forex MB version 3.3.ex4. We will go back to our experts folder and we will paste it. The next step will be coming back to our MB folder, copying mbleave.dll, and pasting it into our libraries folder, which is inside of the experts folder. We will paste it here. Now our MetaTrader has the files that it needs for running Forex MB, but we're just half the way. We close the windows and we open our MT4. I had it already open, and if you click on Expert Advisors, you will see that Forex MB is not there. It's not available yet. We must restart the MetaTrader first, but before we do, we will make a few changes for Forex MB to run well. We'll go to Tools, Options, click on Options, and here search for Expert Advisors. On Expert Advisors, we will check on the Enable Expert Advisors box. We will allow light trading. We will allow DLL imports, and for the last, we will disable confirm DLL function calls. Let's click on OK, and let's restart our MetaTrader. Let's open it again. And as you can see now we have Forex MB 3.3 on our Expert Advisors list. Now we're half the way. As you all know, and as you can find out on the members area, Forex MB currently works for 9 different pairs for long cycles and a few less for short cycles. For this installation guide, we will install 3 different long cycles, the most popular pairs out there, the majors. Let's start by installing the Euro-US dollar. Let's click on the Euro-US dollar, right click and chart window. Our Euro-US dollar chart window is just open with a daily time frame. Now we will change the time frame to 30 minutes. This is very important since MB only works with 30-minute time frame. If you don't set up MB on 30-minute time frame, it won't work. Okay, before loading the files, we will open our members area on our Internet Explorer, any Explorer you're using. I have it open right here, and we will click on License Manager. We'll load it again, and in License Manager you will find these blank spaces and your license key. First, you will write your license number, which is right here. I'm doing a demo account, so I will go on the first blank space on our demo account and write my account number, which in this case is the one I'm writing right now. And I will click on Add. It will load again. Okay, perfect. Now my account number has been properly added to our server. The next step will be copying the license key. I will copy. Okay. Now let's go back to our MetaTrader. We are on a 30-minute time frame for the Euro US dollar. Now double click on Forex MB 3.3. This window will appear. If you don't want to double click all the time, just push the F7 key. Now we click on Inputs, and in the first row we have all the modes. You can find more information about them. The first option, we have license key. Double click, and here we paste our license key, the one we copied from our members area. Now we will choose the mode in which we want to trade in. In this case, I will choose mode 6, power long cycle. I will type 6. We type 6 on mode, just under mode 8 ultra. I won't touch or explain any of the other options right now. But our third step, and very important, is choosing a magic number. We will type 1. This magic number has to be different for every chart you're trading in. We will click on OK. And for example, we'll start trading in just a couple of seconds. Just give it some time. It's authenticating right now. It will take a minute. As I was telling you, it's very important for you to choose a different magic number for every chart. There you go. Now we have MB properly functioning on our MetaTrader. It won't take long. There you go. It already set the first trade. We have MB trading right now, and it's functioning correctly. Now let's do the same for another currency pair. In this case, I will not load it from the Market Watch. I will go to File, New Chart, and I will load the Great British Pound US Dollar. There you go. The next step, set it on the 30-minute time frame. Now I will double click on the Forex MB 3.3 file. I'm on Inputs. I will paste my license key. I will choose my mode, mode 6 power long cycles. It's very important too that you use one mode for each account you're trading with. And we will choose a different magic number in this case too. We'll click on OK. and it will start trading right now. There you go. It's trading right now. We'll make the same steps. Go to File, New Chart, and now we'll open the US dollar Japanese yen. Set it on 30-minute time frame. Double click on the Forex MB3.3 file. Paste our license key. Choose the same mode we're trading right now, which is mode 6 power down cycle. And give it a different magic number, number 3. It will start trading in just 1 second. So these are the steps that we need to follow to install Forex MB3.3 properly. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.